Hey guys, what's up? It's Simply2 here, back with another video. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a cool and awesome intro that you see in RoboGamers. Their intro is like really awesome, and no, it's not. You don't have to pay to get that kind of intro. It's actually free. All you're gonna need is to go to a website. Yeah, so all you're gonna do is you're going to go to panzoid.com, alright? And then after you get to Panzoid, you're gonna see all of these intros. All these intros are like so cool. There's actually, like, for example, if we go press this one looks pretty good. So we're gonna press open in clip maker. So you might be like, hey, but this isn't my name. So I know it's probably not gonna be your name, so that's fine. All you have to do is press this cubish thing, press it, and then it's going to say text Loki 2D. So you're going to want to change that to your thing. I'm Simply2 RoboGamers, so you just do that. Change all of the text to your name, preview it. So guys, that is actually really nice. So you're probably like, then how do I download it? Just press this download button, press start video render, or if you don't want to download anything, all you have to do is on a Mac Command Shift 5 screen record this section of it so you can get the just the intro. But if you're on Windows or any other type of PC, search up like how to screen record on whatever type your computer is. But that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications. If you turn on all notifications, you'll be notified every single time I upload a video, so please do. And if you subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. We're almost at 20 subscribers, so yeah.